Hello, my lovely readers, welcome back. Today I brought you Peppa's Storytime House. Let's read. Let's see who is gonna talk to us today. It's Mommy Pig. This is Peppa's mommy, Mommy Pig. She can do anything. Peppa liked it when Mommy Pig helped with her school project. I only help tiny bit, says Mommy Pig. Sometimes Mommy Pig comes into playgroup to read books. This story is called Funny Onion, says Mommy Pig. Yay! Peppa and her friends laugh. Mommy Pig looks after Peppa, George, and their toys. Teddy has got all muddy, sighs Peppa. Don't worry, says Mommy Pig. We'll take her to the doll hospital. Mommy Pig is brave. She's even done a parachute jump. Peppa and George cheer, hooray for Mommy Pig. Peppa has lots of fun with her mommy. Sometimes Mommy Pig works hard on her computer. But she always has time to play too. Peppa loves Mommy Pig. Everyone loves Mommy Pig. The end. I hope you loved the story. We will see you again with another beautiful story soon. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
Booktube Kids.